I'm vlogging for the YouTube. Look at it! There's just a lemur.
There's monkeys!
It's a lemur, Ivy. Koi. Oh my god, there's so many, bro.
So if I can do it, I think she's
Shut up. You are joking.
Oh, hi, kitty!
So,
beak like this probably has a pretty complex diet. It's not just herbs, right? It's going to be that wagging tail too, I imagine, is also trying to keep the flies.
those are huge.
Always nice when it works out. We get to see these animals on tour. Cute as that. Quick, stop before they see you. Nice, shelter from predators and free health care. Always the most important part. Yeah.
Are we in Germany?
Yeah, right? I know. I was like thinking about dressing up like a giraffe for Halloween, and then maybe I get a free doctor's appointment. But yeah, that's cool about the distance. Yeah, Chevy's pointing out the world because I'm walking around. There are two. There's actually three out there. There's also llamas behind us too. Llamas are good livestock guardian animals, and they also provide really good enrichment for our carnivores. We shave the llamas just like you're supposed to do with the llamas. As Tara's walking down the fence, this is kind of what I've been waiting for. I've been stalling. Look over here on your right. All my friends on board. Look over here. Look at this antelope. Oh, I won't get anyone's picture, but she does like to sometimes greet us.
It's how Chunky naps, Mama.
He's like,